2 months after Sushant Singh Rajput's death, the actor's family and girlfriend Rhea Chakrabarti are engaged in an ugly war of words with charges and counter-charges flying thick and fast. India Today has accessed Rhea Chakrabarti's version of what happened on the 8th of June, 6 days before the actor's death. Why did Rhea leave Sushant? What led to the strain in Sushant's relationship with his family? Here are the explosive details put out by Rhea Chakrabarti.
Over 2 months since Sushant Singh Rajput's death, Rhea Chakrabarti has been at the center of the murky mystery. Accused by Sushant's family of abetment to suicide and controlling his life and finances, she left Sushant 6 days before his death. But what happened that day? What led to the starlet moving out of the house that she had been living in with Sushant since December 2019? India Today has accessed details of what transpired on 8th of June. According to Rhea Chakrabarti's legal team, Sushant had decided to move out of Mumbai. Rhea also claims that Sushant had been calling his family through the month of June to inform them of his decision. Rhea claims that Sushant wanted to meet his family and was allegedly desperate to get in touch with them. And that after several days of crying and calling his family members, Sushant's sister Meetu agreed to come and live with him on 8th of June. That's when Sushant asked Rhea to leave and go live with her parents. Team Rhea claims that even though she wanted to see her own family, Rhea was not comfortable leaving Sushant.
8 जून को वो घर पहले छोड़ के गई है। मीतू बाद में सुशांत ने बुलाया है तो मीतू आई है। अगर सुशांत उनके नजर में, जैसा वो खुद कहना चाह रही हैं, इतनी तबीयत खराब थी, मानसिक हालत इतनी खराब थी, इस मानसिक हालत में जब वो छोड़ के गई तो किसको उन्होंने बताया परिवार के कि ये दवाई चल रही है, इनका ये दवाई खिलाना बहुत जरूरी है, इनका देखरेख करो, ऐसा ना हो कि कुछ गलती हो जाए।
Rhea's legal team also claims that the actress suffered from anxiety and depression, issues that would often be aggravated due to Sushant's behavior. On 8th of June, Rhea had booked a session with the therapist Susan Walker. She asked Sushant if she could leave after her therapy session, but Sushant asked her to leave immediately before his sister Meetu arrived. Rhea left reluctantly, telling Sushant that he could get in touch with her brother Shovik if he needed anything. Rhea's lawyer has made it clear that it was Sushant who asked Rhea to leave, while she did not want to herself. Rhea's legal team has also pointed the finger at Sushant's family. According to Rhea's lawyer, the relationship between Sushant and his family strained after April 2019, revealing that Sushant and Rhea moved in 8 months after they began dating in December 2019. The actress, in a detailed statement to India Today, claims that things between her and Sushant's family hit a rough patch after a party in April the same year. Rhea claims that one night, she and Sushant's sister had gone out partying. She alleges that Sushant's sister had too much to drink and behaved inappropriately with men and women. Once they returned to Sushant's Bandra house, the actor and his sister continued to drink while Rhea went and slept. As Rhea was asleep, Sushant's sister Priyanka allegedly got into her bed and groped her. Rhea claims that she was extremely shocked and asked Sushant's sister to leave the room. When Rhea told Sushant about the incident, he got into an argument with her.
सुशांत बहुत ज्यादा डिपेंड करते थे प्रियंका के। प्रियंका उनके अकाउंट्स भी देखती थी। प्रियंका जब भी कोई प्रॉब्लम सुशांत को होता था तो प्रियंका को बुलाते थे और प्रियंका सारा कुछ करती थी। और प्रियंका का काफी हस्तक्षेप था घर में। उनके सामने उन्होंने देखा कि सर्वेंट्स को वही ऑर्डर करती थी, कैसे वो अकाउंटेंट्स को बोलती थी। तो इसलिए उन्होंने कहा कि जब तक प्रियंका को जिंदगी से नहीं निकालेंगे तब तक, और प्रियंका को ऐसे निकालना उनके लिए मुश्किल था, कोई ऐसा भद्दा ही एलिगेशन लगाने से वो सक्सेसफुल हो सकती थी, और वही उन्होंने किया।
This, Rhea claims, was the beginning of the relationship with Sushant's family going sour. Rhea's legal team has also alleged that the actress was not allowed to attend Sushant's funeral by his family. Bureau Report, India Today.